Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to use the WordPress CRM System plugin. WordPress CRM plugins help businesses manage customer relationships, track leads, and automate workflows directly from their WordPress site. Some popular options include HubSpot CRM, WP-ERP, Jetpack CRM, and Fluent CRM. To install a CRM plugin, go to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins and Add New. Search for your preferred CRM and click Install Now, followed by Activate. After activation, go to the plugin settings to configure details like contact forms, email automation, and user roles. Most CRM plugins allow you to collect customer data from forms, segment contacts, and track interactions. You can also integrate them with email marketing tools, WooCommerce, or automation platforms like Zapier. Now, choose a plugin based on your business needs, whether it's lead management, email automation, or sales tracking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.